This is Bilal Hassan. I am from Government College, University Lahore. Today I am standing here to tell you about my achievement in life. Actually, guys, I belong to a village. This is a very backward area. There is no mindset of people. There is no dream of people. When I was studying my matriculation, I planned to get admission in Government College University, but some my friend as well, even my teacher demotivated me because you are not able to get admission in Government College University. At the final, after my intermediate, I applied for admission and I passed my entry test and as well my interview, and I get admission. Being a son of labor, it is a very big achievement for me. My father is a laborer, and we are five sisters and brothers. All my sisters and brothers get education in different institution. So, being at the end, I tell you, guys, remember when the sun comes down, the star when the sun down comes and the star will come out. Thank you.